Okay, so here we're exploring the importance of family heritage in the age of eugenics. Now, eugenics was a term that they used, so it's just something new that I want to tell you about. It's pretty interesting. All right, what does it mean to be a Finch, a Ewell, or a Cunningham? Several times in the first 11 chapters of the novel, characters imply that the simple fact of one's family affiliation accounts for an unchangeable part of one's identity and character. So what they're saying, affiliation, it means who you're affiliated to. So who you're related to means it gives you your identity and it gives you your character. Part of this belief reflects an emphasis on some parts of American history and culture on social status tied to family lineage. However, these statements may also reflect a different understanding of heritage that was prevalent in both the United States and Europe in the first half of the 20th century and has since been proved untrue. So just remember, this is not true, okay? This is what they believe, and this was called the Eugenics Movement. As part of the eugenics movement, many scientists advanced the now disproved idea, so they don't believe it now, that not only disease and disability, but also intelligence and morality are biologically determined from generation to generation. So basically what they were saying was that if you get diseases, if you have a disability, how clever you are, if you're a good person or a bad person, is actually passed on from generation to generation. According to this misunderstanding of biology, intelligence and moral judgments are part of our genetic inheritance. So they're saying that, and thus a feeble-minded parent, which is a label some scientists use to describe one unable to make intelligent and moral choices in his or her life, could pass this on to his or her child, regardless of her upbringing or other social forces. So if you had a parent that had very low intelligence, and then they had a child, the child would have to also be a low intelligence. Not even, if there were better education for them and they were exposed to more. No, they were going to also be have low intelligence. Okay, so that's what they believed. Such reasoning created the belief of that their families were superior, not only socially or economically, but also biologically to other families. So not only was it about money, but it was also about if they'd had no history with family being clever or not, or being disabled or anything like that, meant that their family was better. Let's go to the next. Where is the next page? Okay, that must be it then. All right, so now what I want you to do is have a look at the building historical context. You need to come and get a note from me and then read it and do what the instructions tell you to do in A. Thank you.